Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to another Peachybbies restock video. This one's actually pretty special. This is our first restock of 2018. How has your year been so far? Let me know down in the comments below. I really want to hear from you. This week we have a ton of old favorites as well as some really cool new slimes, and I'm really excited to show them to you, so let's get started. So first of all, this is cotton candy cream, and this one is a really thick based slime that is of course scented like cotton candy. This is a cotton candy and bubblegum scented slime, so this one is definitely for lovers of sweet smells as well as cotton candy based things, as I am. And then it's topped off with these really cool pink and blue swirled sprinkles, so it's pretty awesome. Next we have red velvet. So red velvet is actually one of the first slimes that I made on my YouTube channel, and I decided to bring it back a few weeks ago, and I decided to make more this week. So this one is a hybrid of a cloud dough and then a butter slime kind of smushed together, and that's what makes the really cool, really thick spreadable texture. This one is colored and then scented exactly like red velvet cake, so it smells amazing. It's also super spreadable. I really love spreading these ones with knives or spoons or different things like that. And then it's all topped off with these really cute red sprinkles. Look how cute that is. I love it so much. Also, you guys, while you're here, if you're excited for more restock videos or videos like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it lets me know that you like stuff like this. Also, if you haven't subscribed, you should definitely go down there and do that. And then if you have subscribed and you haven't yet, you should definitely go down below, hit the bell icon, turn on notifications. That just lets you know when I post new videos so you guys can come hang out with me. I'm normally hanging out in the comments for the first 2 hours, so if you guys want to get here early, you want to talk to me, come say hi. I normally do giveaways or Q&As and fun stuff in the comments. I would love to see you there. So next we have another super OG favorite. This is Candy Hearts. This is actually the first cloud cream I ever made. So this one is 3 different layers, so it is definitely a tough one to package, but the pink layer is cotton candy, the blue layer is bubblegum, and then the purple layer is scented like passion fruit. So you get a ton of different smells, and they all smell super good mixed together. After this one is mixed, it turns into a really pretty kind of pastel lilac purple, and then as far as the texture, it is a classic cloud cream, so it's really soft, really spreadable, really holdable, and I love this one a lot. Next we have Berry Fairy. So this one is a cloud dough, so it's on the thicker side and you can fluff it up. You can do that thing that you see everybody on Instagram doing right now. But this one is really cool because first of all, it's scented like berry cotton candy. So if you're really into the cotton candy smells, but you think that a cotton candy bubblegum scent might be too much for you, then this is definitely the one to go for because it's a lot lighter scented. So this one is also really cool because it is color changing. So it starts off purple, and then when the color is exposed to air or light, it will change to the blue color you're seeing on the top. So that's why it looks kind of ombre right here. I think it's really fun, and if you want something that is different than the average cloud cream, this is definitely one to go for. Next, we have another new slime that I've made. This one is called Pink Bubbly. So this one is a full foam, actually the only full foam we're selling this week. So this one is a lot lighter and fresher scented. It's scented like strawberries and then pink champagne. So it definitely does smell like berries, and it's slightly sweet, but if you like more refreshing kind of fresh scents, this is definitely the one to go for. So this one starts out with a really pretty pink base, and then it has a ton of crunch from those little foam beads as well as bigger foam beads to kind of represent the bubbles. Next, we have another new one, and okay, this one, I have to explain it, was inspired by, you know that little purple alien game emoji that you have, but you don't really know what it's for, but you use it anyways because it's really cute. That is what this is inspired by. So this is Space Invader. It starts off with a really pretty kind of lavender gray base, which is kind of representing space. It's topped off with a foam mix that definitely looks like a 90s arcade. I mixed that one myself and I'm actually really proud of it. Then we have some really pretty holographic gold shards, add a little bit of glitter, as well as some star confettis. This one is not a full foam, but it's really close to it. So if you want the best of both worlds, if you want a really thick and glossy slime, but you also want a lot of crunch, this is a really good texture for it. So I decided to make a new version of Captain Crunch. This one's actually berry blueberry cereal. So this one is Captain Crunch with an extra hit of berry scent. So it's really, really nice. It's very refreshing, but it's also super sweet at the same time. Trying to describe the scent to you guys. It has a really thick, glossy, clickable base with a bunch of really pretty rainbow and then blue beads. The cool thing about this one is the milk part of the slime is actually a really pretty light blue. So it's not the classic white that you see in a lot of cereal milks, but it's a little bit different. This one is Snow Bunny, and this one is another cloud dough. You can fluff it up and it gets really, really fluffy. And it is 2 different colors and 2 different scents. So the white side is actually white chocolate scented, and the pink side is scented like gingerbread. Mix them together and it smells like the most amazing gingerbread cookie you've ever had. So next we have 3 unicorn hot chocolates. These ones are different scents of hot chocolates that I've had in the past that I really, really love. If you guys aren't familiar with what unicorn hot chocolate is, it's actually a hot chocolate somebody invented where it is like a pastel rainbow color, and I really loved it. I wanted to get in on it, so we have 3 different unicorn hot chocolate scents for you today. So these are sold individually in 4-ounce and 8-ounce sizes, but if you want to try all 3, all you have to do is buy the trio sampler set. So the first one that you can get is the pink, which is smoked white chocolate marshmallow. This one is a white chocolate and then freshly fire roasted marshmallow scent. It smells amazing, and if you love things that are on like the sweeter, more sugary side, this is definitely the one to go for. It also has a really thick, really holdable, glossy, and clicky base. So the blue one is the only dark chocolate scent of the bunch. This one is dark chocolate caramel. So it is definitely, trying to think of how to explain it. If you opened up a bar of Ghirardelli chocolate and then you smelled it, that's what this one smells like, with a hint of caramel. This one has the same really thick, really glossy, and clicky base that the pink one has, because they all have about the same recipe. The only difference is the color and then the scent with these. And finally, we have my personal favorite. Okay, let me set the scene for you. If you've ever seen those Lindt white chocolate coconut balls, you know, the little candies in the grocery store, I think they're at the checkout aisle. If you've ever smelled one of those, that's exactly what the yellow unicorn hot chocolate smells like. This one is a white chocolate coconut whip scent, and it is one of my favorite things I've created so far. It is so, so good, especially if you love coconut. This is one that you have to try out. So again, same super thick, glossy, clicky base that the other 2 had. The only difference is the scent is white chocolate coconut, and it is by far one of my favorite things I have ever created. And then each one of them, if you order them individually in the 4-ounce or the 8-ounce size, you're going to get one of the unicorn glitter packets. So this has a glitter mix that I actually mixed myself, a foam mix that I mixed myself, and then with each packet you get one cute little charm. This one had a pink biscuit in it. And then here is the trio, the sampler set, if you will. It comes with one of each of the scents and then a glitter packet that's big enough so that you can mix and put all of the foam beads into each one as your heart desires. Also, if you guys are wondering, yes, they smell really good mixed together. They also make a pretty green color. So, you know, if you don't want to keep them all separate, you can totally mix these together. So that was it for the video. I really hope you guys liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!